Hello everyone, myself Nivedita Bose from Easy Electrical, your JS faculty for Rapid Revision series. Today is the 3rd of October 2021. At, Today we will deal with the subject Geography. Before that, I would like to give you a brief introduction about our PET course SSC JEE 2021, which includes concept-based classes on technical and non-technical portion, plus practice problems, month-wise test and notes. What we specialize in is that we provide you with classroom recordings free for lifetime, which is otherwise chargeable in other institutions. Now coming to the today's topic. The first question is, Keoladeo Ghana National Park in Rajasthan was formerly known as. The answer is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. The answer is the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. It was declared a national park and listed as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Now coming to the next question. In which state is the maximum Ramsar site is located? Pause the video and try yourself. At present, there are 46 Ramsar sites in India. The number of maximum Ramsar site is located at Uttar Pradesh. But by volume, the larger Ramsar site is located at Gujarat. You must remember that the distinguish in these questions. Now coming to the next question. The boundary between earth crust and the mantle. Here see the diagram. You must follow that the upper layer of the earth is called crust, then upper mantle, then mantle, out core and inner core. And there are many boundary lines. Here the question is the boundary between the crust and the mantle. The answer is Moho discontinuity. It is also known as Moho-Viricich discontinuity. You must read the other boundaries. Now coming to the next question. Which type of forest is most widespread in India? You must try yourself. This is a very important question. Here you can see that in the picture, the light green portion covers the maximum portion of this map. It is tropical deciduous forest. So the answer is tropical deciduous forest. Now coming to the next question. India's largest concrete dam, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, is built on which river? The options are Krishna, Kaveri, Satluj, Yamuna. You can see in the picture the exact position of this river, of this reservoir. It is situated on the Krishna river. It is a very important question. Malacca Strait is located between which two countries? There are so many states all over the world. You must read many more states. Here it is the question frequently asked in the SSC and WBPSC. Now you can see from the map that from Malaysia and Indonesia, between Malaysia and Indonesia, the Strait of Malacca is located. So the answer is option B. Now coming to the next question. In which layer of the atmosphere satellites orbit around Earth? The options are mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, and stratosphere. Every sphere means every layers of the atmosphere is important for its from many aspects. Here the right answer is thermosphere. It is also known as hottest sphere because here the temperature is very much high. Now coming to the next question. The northern part of western coastal plain of India is also known as, you can see from the map that this is the coastal plain of India. Here it is the Konkan coast, Malabar coast, it is the Coromandel coast, and it is the northern northern portion. It is Odisha, West Bengal, etc. Here the option matching to the question, northern part of the western coast is Konkan coast. It is very much obvious. Now coming to the next question. Why is Ran of Kutch is famous for? Ran of Kutch is located at Gujarat and it is famous for uh, its salty sand beach, and it is the largest salt desert in the world. You must remember that it is the largest salt desert. Here from the correct option is tidal and flats. Now coming to the today's last question. Ecomark is given to an Indian product which is unadulterated, option B rich in vitamin, option C in environment friendly. Here a printing mistake is done, and the last options are already registered as GI product. Here pause the video and try yourself. Here the correct option is environment friendly. So friends, this is for today. So thank you everyone for staying up to this point. If you have any doubts, send us a message at 8335067725 or mail us at electricaleasy@gmail.com. Thank you.